Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Carol the Diva. Today I'm going to be reviewing a beautiful headband wig, but before I get started, I'm going to go ahead and do my edges. When wearing a headband wig, having your edges out is definitely optional, but for some reason I like doing it, so I always go ahead and do it. To lay my edges today, I'm going to be using this Edge Control by Edge Effect, and this is what I use most of the time when I'm doing my edges. When I'm doing my edges, I like to add the gel onto my hair and then I brush them in place with the brush. As you can see, sometimes I use the comb part on the brush just to get a better control of my edges. Now that they're nice and cute, I'm gonna go ahead and grab my wig. The wig I'm gonna be installing today is from LuvMe Hair. I can't stress enough how much I love their hair. It's always so amazing. Inside the box, I got this little pouch with some items in there that I'm about to show you guys. The first thing I pulled out is this edge scarf, and I don't know why my camera decided not to focus, but we're gonna work with it. We gonna let it happen. The camera will focus one way or another. There we go. Now that's better. I also got this elastic band which I could use to adjust my wig just in case I need to. And I got a tweezer because you know we always gonna need our tweezers, especially when we're doing lace wigs. I also got these bobby pins that I'm definitely gonna be needing too. I also got this little clip that says Love Me on it, and I got this wig cap which I'm definitely gonna be needing. And here I have 5 headbands in this package that I'm gonna show them to you one by one. The first one is a beautiful orange. For some reason I just love this color. Then we have this beautiful red one. Next we have this black one. Also this pink one. And the last one is a lavender. This is the hair that I'm going to be reviewing. It is a 12-inch loose deep wave, and I'll link all the information down below for you guys, along with my discount code, of course, because you know I gotta get them discount code for you guys. So it has a clip in the top, 2 in the sides, and 1 in the back of it. And it also has the strap that's gonna hold it tight and firm onto your head. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on so we could see what it looks like on me. After I secure the strap, I like to use the clip in the very back and I pin it over it, and this will help to hide the strap in the back. The wig is looking beautiful as it should, even without the headbands, but I'm gonna go ahead and put my makeup on and I'll come back and put the headbands on so you guys can see what it looks like with the headbands. Okay, I'm back and I'm gonna go ahead and try some headbands on and see what it looks like, and I'm gonna go ahead and try the yellow, the red, and the black, and these colors are already matching the clothes I'm wearing, so it's just perfect. I'm gonna go ahead and try the orange first just because it definitely caught my eye from the beginning. So I definitely like it. If you ask me, I like the wet look it's given. It does not feel wet at all. I did not spray anything on it. It just looked that way and I really, really like it. The hair is super soft and I have a feeling you could tell from the look of it that it is nice and soft because it looks so moisturized from just looking at it. And like I said, I did not add nothing to it. Another thing I really love about the hair is the length of it. Make it look so natural and make it look like it's my own hair. The hair is lightweight, of course. It's not long, so it's not hot. And it's a great wig that you could definitely wear in the summertime because the summertime is hot and you don't want too much hair on you. But you could also wear it in the wintertime because wigs are in all season, all year round. This wig, in my opinion, is definitely an everyday wig. You could wear this wig to work. You could take it with you on a vacation somewhere, and when you're going to bed at night, take it off and put it back on the next day. Nobody knows. It's definitely easy to manage. You don't have to comb it. You don't have to curl it. You don't have to do anything to it. Just put it on and go. Definitely make sure you use my code when you purchase so you could get some money off because who don't like saving some coins on anything they're buying? The direct link for the hair I'm wearing will be in the description box so you could click on it and go straight to it. I'm gonna go ahead and try the red one and see how I like it. So the red one is definitely giving what it's supposed to be given. I'm absolutely loving it. I didn't even know I would like it as much as I do because red is not one of my favorite colors. I went ahead and did a little half up, half down, and to my surprise, I actually really like it. Even with the half up, half down hairstyle, it's still looking so natural like it's my own hair. Like, who's gonna know it's a wig? Nobody. That's who. And we don't need them to know either. I know some schools don't allow kids to wear wigs, but this one definitely should be allowed because it does not look wiggy. It looks so natural. What do you guys think? Like, I want to know. Let me know in the comment box because for real, this hair looks so natural. I'm gonna go ahead and try the last one, which is the black one, and I'm also gonna do a little style for this one. With all the styles I created, the hair still looks so natural, like it's my own hair. But I would like for you guys to tell me which one of these styles you like the most, which one of these headbands you like the most, and what you think about the hair. Let me know down in the comment box because your comments are really appreciated. As for me, my favorite headband was the orange and my favorite hairstyle was the two pigtail. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate that. If you haven't already done so, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!
Hello, my name is Aubriana and I and I'm really happy right now.
With your dirty teeth, you need to. Oh my God, Brianna. You need to brush them dirty teeth. Make sure you brush your teeth before you go to bed. Anyway, say to them.
Bye. Hope you guys have a good weekend. I'm gonna stay up all night.
No, you're not. No, you're not. Okay. Love you, baby. Go. My earring. Poor my earring. They went through so much tonight. Keep falling out and everything on Brianna. Alright.
Bye. See you later.